Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. And if you're always watching and you're not subscribed, click it below. It's free. It's free. It's free. Alright, today guys, what I am doing, I have a Misfits box for you. They changed their days. You used to have to order it on Thursdays the prior week, and then you get it the following Saturday. Now they have it where, this camera is so close to me, now they have it where you order it on Saturday and then you get it the next Saturday. So that's a little bit better. I think maybe they're staggering it. I don't know. I forgot to change my date. So Thursday I went out there, I couldn't order, but then I miraculously remembered on Saturday to order. So some things were gone, but not a lot, because I didn't order at 4 o'clock. So I did set my timer, I think I changed it to order 4 o'clock on Saturdays instead, because I think you get from Saturday, I don't know what the time span is. It used to be you get from Thursday to Saturday, so I don't know what it is now. I don't know if you still get 4 days or what, but let's check and see what's in the box. So let me change the camera angle, so you guys stay tuned. Okay guys, let's open up the box, see what we got this week. I can't remember if I ordered anything extra. Never can remember, but if I did, I'll put it on the screen. It's like this thing leaking today or something. I hope not. But anyway, let me throw this in the sink. Alright. I ordered this, pretty much the same thing, I think. That too. Okay. I ordered some dino kale. And got some little brown spots on this one. Looks alright, but gotta eat it fast. Ready to go bad. I ordered some more of this cauliflower. This is a smaller head than I got last time, but it tastes just like regular cauliflower. It's just green on the outside. Inside is white. So maybe I'll cook this for you guys and show you how I cooked it. I just cooked it and put some vegan cheese on top of it. I just steamed it in my steamer pot. But anyway, got that. This says plums, so I'm assuming it's plums. Yep, they big this time. So I got 2 plums, red plums, I'm assuming. So they're not really dark. This is a pear. I ordered some pears. I forget what the kind they are. And their words are too little. I have my contacts in so I can't see it. This is a cucumber. I got 2 cucumbers. What's this? Broccoli? Yeah, it feels like broccoli. I haven't sent these biodegradable bags in a long time. But I kind of almost ordered the same stuff I had last time. I got a few things. So I got some broccoli. It's not a whole head, it's just some florets. So I guess that's why it's in this bag. But it's enough for a couple of people. You guys can see that. I guess you can. I can see it on the monitor. So we got think of that. I ordered some more fennel. Make fennel salad. Ah, this is bad. So I got my delicata squash, but it's bad in that spot. So I'm going to cut that off and cook it tomorrow. I got 2 different types of sweet potatoes. And I forget which 2 types I ordered, but this is the normal kind I ordered, these reddish orangish ones. And then these were saying that they were Finland sweet potatoes, but they're purple. But I don't know what color they are on the inside. I think these are the ones that might be white in the inside, but I'm not sure. But they'll be sweet. And then they sent me a bunch of red onions, which I'm happy about. Because usually they just send you 1, but I got 3. So, not happy about my squash. I didn't wipe this thing off before, but it's okay. Let's put my stuff up here. While I'm doing this, I put whatever it is that I got on the screen so you guys can see it. But I ordered, oh no, they're purple on the inside. I just broke it. Probably was already broken, but anywho. Alright, so again, 2 types of sweet potatoes, 1 pair. No, 1 pair. Is that how I say a pair? It almost look like that. Yeah. 2 types of sweet potatoes, 2 plums, 1 pear, 3 red onions, some, I forgot what kind it is again. I put it on the screen. I got it last week. But cauliflower, I forget the name of it, delicata squash, some broccoli, 2 cucumbers, a little bit of dino kale that's a little roughed up, and then some fennel. And that's it. That's all I got for this week. So again, I'll leave the code on the screen and link below if you would like to order. I get 25% off and you get 25% off if you're a new customer for your first order. And yeah. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye. And that's a wrap.